So my phone wants to off. This is the hair. So turn around a bit. So this is it. Oh, yeah, turn again. So this is it. Thank you for watching.
Remember when we do our layers?
Somebody put. Yeah. Okay. Blocking the video.
No, but I need that.
So guys, I am done washing her hair. So this is how it's looking like. It's totally clean, you know. So this is my homemade mist oil. So it's for hair growth, you know. So I'm going to apply it, sorry, to her hair. So you have to, after applying it, you just use your hand to massage it, you know. Sorry. So guys, I'm going to be packing the hair. Remove your hand. Wait now. Yeah, so you have to roll the hair, roll it, then before you now add it to this. So you have to still repeat the same thing here. So you have to fold the hair, roll it, then attach it to this one. Still use rubber band to hold it. So this is it. So now I'm going to apply leave-in condition to pack the to make one corner here. Eh? Well, I did not hear you. How did you do it? So that's it, guys. So I'm going to pack this hair now. It's okay. So this is how I do the back. So let's go to the. So I want to pack this front now. So you have to still roll it. Sit where I read. You have to roll, then add it to this. You still repeat the same thing here. We have to use this one for the tangle. So roll. See. So can you guys see it? So you have to still use rubber to roll it. It's okay? Wait. So I have to apply leave-in conditioner. So never mind, it's living condition you are seeing here. So guys, I am done with the hair. So this is it. So bend down a bit. So my phone won't show off. This is the hair. So turn around a bit. So this is it. Oh yeah, turn again. So this is it. Thank you for watching. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and leave comment by the comment section below. And bye. I turn a bit. Nine. Turn to the other side. So that's it.